It is so interesting to listen to so many of our human friends telling us that the reason that they are talking about something is because it is true. And we say that really is a poor excuse. Because there are so many things that are true. True only means somebody gave their attention to it, offered a vibration about it. Law of attraction gave it to them. As law of attraction gave it to them, they observed it. As they observed it, they offered a vibration. Oh, we've told you that story. The only reason that anything is true in anyone's experience is because somehow, some way, they've begun offering a vibration about it. And in this art of allowing, in this science of deliberate creation workshop, in this being the deliberate creator of your own life experience, because you are the creator of your own life experience, whether you know that you are or not, so you might as well do it deliberately. You can't turn your vibration off. You're always radiating a vibration, and law of attraction is always responding to your vibration. So you may as well offer it on purpose. And many say, well, I am offering it on purpose because I am so aware of the things that I do not want. And I am stubbornly making sure that those unwanted things do not come into my experience. And let me tell you the list of things I don't want so that you can be sure that none of these unwanted things ever come to me. It's a long list. I've been gathering it for a lifetime, and I'm really good at it, and I can give it to you cleverly. I can make you laugh as I repeat the problems of my life experience to you. I've been entertaining people with this for years, and so just sit back and enjoy my explanation of why my life is not going the way I want it to. And once I've repeated this story again, I've done it thousands of times, but once I've repeated this story again, then I'm going to ask law of attraction to hear me clearly and give me exactly the opposite of it. And we say, law of attraction is such a fair friend. Law of attraction will always replicate your vibration. And we want you to remember that your vibration, your vibrational balance, your vibrational countance, your point of attraction, what's being matched up with you is always known best by you by the way you feel. The way you feel is your indication of your balance of vibration. Now here's why. You are source energy in a physical body, and many of you know that. You've been talking about God, you've been talking about source, you've been talking about souls, you've been talking about heaven and angels. You've been trying to get your thoughts wrapped around the idea of the eternalness of who you are. Many of you have believed long before you came to know us that there was life before this body, and you are hoping that there will be life after this body. And we want to say to you that most of what you think about all of that is really screwy. We want you to understand that you are an eternal being, but you're not dead or alive. You're not an angel and then a mortal. You're not there with source and then here without source. You are always source energy. You are vibration mostly. And this physical being that you know as you and all of the physical trappings that surround you are interpretations of vibration that you have fashioned into this wonderful world that you are living. You are here focused in your physical bodies on the leading edge of thought, and it is magnificent that you are here. But we want so much for you to realize that all of you didn't come forth into this physical body. And we don't mean all of you in terms of the masses. We mean all of you in terms of you. In terms of you. The larger part of you will always be stable, non-physical, pure positive, God force, source, love, energy. That's who you are. And part of that consciousness is projected here in this physical body. Just like the whole of who you are in this physical body is not attending this workshop here today. You're still a mother or a father or a sister or a brother or a bowler or an accountant. There are many aspects to your life that are not taking place right here and now while you're focused here with us. So we want you to understand that in this greater sense of the word, the larger part of you is non-physically focused and taking in the benefit that you are providing by being here in this physical body. Let's start over here.